Meow brought 10 kittens to our favorite Cavallini vet in Tamarindo. They check up all the kittens and cut their nails and give their first vaccines. It was lots of things. But we have to do this every time we get the new kittens so no one gets sick at the lounge. One of the most problem we have is since we have lots of cat right now, 26 cats at the lounge. Every time new kitten comes, and then if the kitten have some problem, then everybody else can get the problem, and then that's a disaster. So Cabrini help us take care of all our kittens healthy and in good health. And thank you so much for all your support. They are really a great vet in Tamarindo. There's many vet that I tried, but I do really like Cavallini. I do recommend it for you guys to go if you have an animal around us in Guanacaste, Tamarindo, Potrero, Flamingo area. But anyways, back to the kittens. So yeah, these are all new kittens looking for forever home. So if you are interested, please just come visit the Purr Vida Lounge by Conchal next to Korea International School. It's only $20 for a person to get in, and you get to have delicious homemade treat and drink and cat treat. And all these cats love and just kitten love. Hopefully I see you at the lounge. Thank you. This was Miss Meow.